Here in this video, we will figure out how to access and use iPhone with the smash screen in multiple approaches. Just watch on to find out the way that suits you best. Way 1. How to control iPhone with broken screen via controller for broken iPhone. Just take a look at controller for broken iPhone Mobican Doctor for iOS. This smash program makes it easy for you to view, control, or recover your iPhone content with or without backup. How to control and restore broken iPhone via controller for broken iPhone. Step 1. Launch controller for broken iPhone. Step 2. Scan for your wanted iPhone data. Step 3. Control iPhone with a broken screen. Way 2. How to access iPhone with broken screen using Siri. Sending voice commands to Siri might give you a fighting chance to control your iPhone with a broken screen if the specific portion of the screen still responds. This means may not guarantee to work, but you can give it a shot. Way 3. How to control iPhone broken screen from computer with iTunes. As a traditional tool from Apple, iTunes enables you to get your iOS device restored and thus unlock it, giving you the freedom to access your iPhone with a broken screen. Way 4. How to use iPhone with broken screen via Find My iPhone. If you just want to use your iPhone without touching its broken screen, you can unlock it with Find My iPhone. To do this, you should enter your iCloud account from iCloud Web and enable the Find My iPhone feature. Way 5. How to control iPhone with broken screen using VNC. Incorporating basic controls to access common functions on your iPhone. VNC allows you to control your iPhone from Windows, Mac, Linux, and even your phone itself. Yet, this tool is only available for a jailbroken iPhone. Way 6. How to access iPhone with broken screen via QuickTime. QuickTime serves as a screen recorder for iPhone on a Mac apart from playing video and audio files. It lets you mirror your iPhone and thus view your files. Yet, it cannot give you full control over your iPhone with a broken screen.